Hi, hello. Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. Today we are going to be discussing about CyberArk. CyberArk is basically IAM tool in cybersecurity. So you may ask a question, what is this IAM? What is this IAM? IAM. So I means identity. A means access. M means management. Okay. So what this identity access management basically? So coming to the identity, general way, general way. Every person have some identity like Aadhaar ID, voter ID, PAN ID. So that is some kind of identity of the person. In the general term, identity, I want to draw the two things here. In the general term, what is the meaning of identity? In the uh, IT term, what is the meaning of identity? In the general term, in the general life, what is the meaning of identity? In the corporate side, in the IT sector, what is the meaning of identity? In the general way, the identity nothing but a person have some Aadhaar. Aadhaar is a person identity. Voter card is a person identity. Okay, a name is the identity. Something like different kind of identities. At the same time, in the organization, there is an application, there is an app. That app should have some identity. So there is a cloud that is some identity, need identity. There is a laptop that need identity. There is a printer need identity. There is a device also need identity. They have to use some device that also need some identity. So identity is very much important to understand this particular cybersecurity module, IAM tool CyberArk. Then access means what? Suppose a person, suppose you in the general way, you want to go to the bank. When you are going to the bank account is your identity, right? Bank account number, something like and your ATM pin. Okay. So if this is the authorized person for this bank and this ATM pin and all of you, and you get some access, of your locker, or you get access of your account. So you are going to be getting some access from this ATM, or you are going to be accessing from this bank account. You want to withdraw money. Okay. So access is very much important in the same way in the organization. Users or a particular developers or admin people or testing team, whatever it may be, they have to access some application. So there are multiple users are there in the company. There are multiple users are there in the company, and they need some access of this application. They need access of this cloud. They need access of this laptop. They need access of this printer. They have to access this kind of devices. Okay. So identity, access, and management. Management nothing but who is the user and what kind of application we have to give the access to him, and what kind of access I need to remove to him. When he resigned from the company, we have to remove the accesses from this particular so and so applications, so and so clouds, so and so laptops, so and so devices. Okay, so that kind of management is very much important. So this identity access management in the organization, there are different kind of tools which are going to be available. There are different kind of tools which are going to be available. One is a ping identity, ping federate, ping federate, and one more thing is something like Okta. One more something like a Sail Point, and one more something like a 4G Rock, 4G Rock. Same, same like that. This CyberArk is very much demand in the market nowadays, and which is going to be highly popular when you compare with all other things. Like, okay, all these are competitors. these different people are there. People are there. PingFederate is one application which is managing the identity access. Okta is one application which is maintaining the identity access. Cellpoint is one of different company which is maintaining this IAM. 4G Rock is some other thing, and CyberArk is also one of the IAM tool. CyberArk is finally this is IAM tool, identity access management tool, and this is working like a mediator. This is working like a mediator. Okay, IAM is going to be working like a mediator between this applications and between the users. So here the users are available, and users directly cannot able to access any application. Users directly cannot able to access any application. So users are connecting to the IAM tool. IAM tool is connecting to the applications. Different kind of applications. Applications are resources. Whatever the company resources, company assets are there. So these particular resources, this particular user need to access. Okay, directly users cannot able to access anything. Users cannot able to directly access anything. So there is some security, high level security need to be maintained for this applications. These are the apps. These are the apps. Okay. So to manage all these things, this IAM tool, this CyberArk is going to be a very much demanding technology nowadays. Okay, later we will discuss about what are the features about the CyberArk and all, how the CyberArk will be, and how to go with the CyberArk and all. And come to the job market for the CyberArk, guys. Come to the job market for the CyberArk. CyberArk IAM, cybersecurity, when you search in Naukri, you will be finding a huge number of job openings. Huge number of job openings. So, and this is the tool, very small tool, only integration tool. There is no programming skills needed, no programming knowledge is needed. Just this is small integration tool. Just learn it, and Mohansh Technologies is going to be providing you this particular special CyberArk course in online, exclusive course, which is going to be taught by the real-time experts. Only real-time experts can able to handle this particular CyberArk and kind of things and IAM tools. Okay, so can you see the LinkedIn? Even LinkedIn also, you will be finding a huge number of job openings for this CyberArk IAM cybersecurity. When you search like this, you will be finding a huge number of job openings. Can you see this? Can you see this? How many requirements are there? CyberArk, TCS. TCS is recruiting the people. Tata Consulting Services recruiting the people, and Infosys is recruiting. Wipro is recruiting. All high level companies, top MNCs are recruiting this CyberArk people, and highly demanding. Jobs are available. People are saying that jobs are not available. Jobs are not available in cybersecurity. Everybody saying that cybersecurity, but in cybersecurity itself, 200 plus modules are there. Nobody knows about the IAM tools. Nobody knows about this CyberArk related things. So please try to connect with CyberArk and understand about the CyberArk. And I will upload a lot of videos for the CyberArk here. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If you have any questions and queries, you can comment in the comment box. And very soon the batch is going to be starting with. And contact Mohansh Technologies. They will guide you how to learn CyberArk and how to get the jobs immediately. So Mohansh Technologies is specialized specialized for cybersecurity. Okay. And Mohan's technology is having only emerging technologies. Can you see all cybersecurity related IAM tools, Ping Federate, Ping Access, and CyberArk Okta, different kind of other things also like full stack MERN, Go language AI, and AML KYC, Security Operations Center, SOC, and ethical hacking, blockchain, Web3.js, blockchain security, blockchain Python, quantum computing, and already Gen AI batch started in the morning. So you can attend Gen AI batch. That is a free session for 30 days. And a lot of other free sessions also running like full stack MERN, full stack Python, and so many other courses are free courses. Already we are done with the half of the courses also, and free courses. And Gen AI 2 days back only started. If anybody needed Gen AI, you can just ping me in the WhatsApp. Anyway, I will give you the group link, group related link in the description. Just watch the description. You can join for the group. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you. Again, we will meet in the next video. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell icon. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go and subscribe. Comments are needful. Provide your comments also. Thanks a lot. We'll meet in the next video. Bye.